How to choose a right brewery floor drain. When choosing brewery floor drains, there are several factors that you should consider to ensure that you select the right drains for your brewery. 1. Determine the locations of the floor drains. This will typically involve working with the brewery's layout and design plans. Identify the areas where wastewater is most likely to be generated, and to locate the floor drains in those areas. 2. Consider the flow rate of the wastewater. When choosing floor drains, it is important to consider the flow rate of the wastewater that will be flowing through the drains. This will help to ensure that the drains are large enough to handle the volume of wastewater that will be flowing through them, and they will not become clogged or overwhelmed. 3. Consider the safety and hygiene requirements. In a brewery, it is important to ensure that the floor drains are safe and hygienic to use. This may involve choosing drains that are easy to clean and sanitize, that are designed to prevent the growth of bacteria or other microorganisms. 4. Consult floor drain expert. Another step you may want to take is to consult with a brewery floor drain expert. This can help you to get advice and guidance on the best type of floor drain to choose for your brewery. Ensure that the drains you select will be able to effectively handle the wastewater generated by your brewing operation. Review the warranty and customer service policies of the drain manufacturer. Finally, when choosing brewery floor drains, it is important to review the warranty customer service policies of the drain manufacturer. This can help to ensure that you will be able to get the support and assistance. The above is the relevant content. If you have more questions, please contact Tiantai.